Good morning students, class 9th. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today I am going to teach your English grammar. Your topic is transformation. This is second part of it. This time I hope you all are well and ready to understand conversion of positive sentence into negative. Sometimes you write positive sentence, sometimes you have need to write negative also. At the time you think about negative sentence, how to change a sentence into negative. For that some rules you have needed, some way you have to understand. So take care this time how positive sentence can be changed into negative sentence. Just here write down point first. To make any sentence negative, we need to use no, not, or never. Second point, after no, after no we use a noun. After not and never we use a verb. Next point, write down not or never is used after helping verb and before main verb. Now I am going to explain this thing before you. Just as for example, care here, Mohit called me. Mohit called me. You see here, Mohit is the subject of the sentence. Called is second form, means subject plus V2 means this is simple past. Presently this is positive. Now you are going to change this very sentence into negative. Take care here. To make it negative, we don't change subject, we don't bring any change in the subject of the sentence, so subject must be Mohit here, Mohit. Now several times I have told you to talk about tense. Think about verb. Your verb is in second form, that's why it is in simple past tense, but your sentence is going to be negative here. For that you have need of helping verb, and you know that the helping verb of simple past tense is did. And after helping verb we can use not. Just you have seen here that after not or never helping verb is used. So write down, after helping verb not, Mohit did not. And in negative or interrogative sentence of simple present and simple past also, only first form of main verb V1 is used here. So Mohit did not call me. You have to change in this way. Some more sentence here also. Mind please. They call the police. Positive sentence. Now I have suggested you not to bring any change in the part of the subject. Subject must be same. So write down here they. Now verb is in first form. After subject, if there is V1 or V5, it means the sentence is in simple present. Here it is V1, that's why sentence is in simple present tense. And helping verb of simple present is do or does. Do is used with plural and does is used with singular. As your subject is here they, means V1 after it, because it is plural, so you have to use here do. They do. And after helping verb use not. They do not. And as the sentence is negative, only V1 will be used. That's why write down here call. They do not call the. They do not call the police. This is now negative. Just he has done this. He has done this. Presently, he is the subject of the sentence, has is the helping verb, and done is the main verb in third form, and this is object. Now presently it is positive, and now change it into negative. First write down here subject, that will be same, and after subject we use not to make negative, but not is used after helping verb. And already you see here has is the helping verb of the sentence, so write down he has. And now after has helping verb use not. He has not. And after not we use main verb, and here it is done. After has have only V3 is used, that's why he has not done this. Now it is negative. So in this way you have seen here to change a positive sentence in negative, we use not after helping verb and before a main verb, then that sentence is known in negative. Dear students, your time is going to be over. So till here today, I hope you have learned how to convert positive sentence into negative something more in the next slide. Thank you.